Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And oh, look at the portfolio. I knew this was gonna happen. It was too good to be true. But you know what? I'm still holding on strong. In the past week, I'm still up 7%, right? It's like the past few days just didn't even happen. These 2 days right here is basically didn't happen. It was overextended, right? I was saying like this was too good. Like Aphria was up way too much, way too fast. And I was reading some articles saying that those people up in there in the Wall Street bets, I applaud what they do, right? But they were pumping up some of the cannabis stocks. Like if you see Aphria, it is down up. It was down about 30%, and it went all the way up to $32. I was saying like long term, like Aphria is gonna hit $20 long term, not in the next week. And when it did happen, I was surprised, and they hit 32, and I'm like, well, this is getting crazy. But for me, I'm probably not gonna sell Aphria. I've been in this stock for a while now. My average cost is $7.61. Let's go look at the other ones. I know Canopy Growth is considered the biggest one in terms of market cap, I believe, right now. This one's down 21% with a $13 billion market cap. Then we see Tilray, the one that we're gonna basically gonna be merging with. This one is down for almost 40% to $4 billion in market cap. Let's look at Aurora Cannabis. This one that I've actually been in the past down 19%. Yeah, it looks like people are selling out. And I know this one right here, a new one that people are getting into, down 12%, not even that bad. But yeah, I knew it was overextended, but I still wanted to hold on. I'm still up quite a bit. I'm up 148%. So for me, this is just whatever. It's like the past 2 days weren't even happening. But this is exactly why I'm a long-term investor. Because honestly, if you could predict when the top is going to be for a stock, then of course I would have sold off, right? Of course I would have been like, okay, this is the top for Aphria at $30. I'm going to sell off right now. And in a perfect world, I would buy in at the lowest point, right? But you know what? That's really hard to do. And one thing that I've noticed in the market is just time in the market is better than timing the market, right? That's one of those sayings that actually, like, it's true, right? Timing the market is going to be hard to do, but time in the market always pays off, and it's less stressful. Because if you're stressing over when the top is going to be, when the top is going to be, like, you're going to be on your phone stressing all the time. And instead, you just put in your money and then you leave it alone, and then you're stress free. And then whenever you see opportunity like today, like if you want to get into Aphria, I would be looking into getting in right now if I didn't have a position. At least slowly get into it. I have my positions basically set. So in the future, when Aphria does hit $30, naturally, as the time goes on, then my position will already be set, and I believe Aphria will go way higher than $30 in the long term. Especially since I believe that this merger, and then with the United States eventually legalizing it federally, would make this company a monster, like a monster. This is just not, it is a cannabis company, but it's going to be selling more than just the, it's going to be selling like drinks, it's going to be selling candies, foods, everything, I believe. And that's going to make this company a monster in its own right, right? It's going to be top three in the cannabis industry, I believe. And who's going to be the next two, right? Is Canopy Growth going to be there? There's going to be some players in the United States. I know for a fact once these boys start making some money, guess what they're going to do? They're going to start acquiring as much of the competition as possible. And that's what they're going to do. They're just going to start acquiring everyone that they can. And that's the move. That's what all the big dogs do. If you can't beat the competition, you need to just buy them out, right? And see the portfolio. I'm not going to freaking not show you my losses for today, because you know what? This is all part of the game. All part of the game. And if you're not ready for this part of the game, then don't be in it, right? And I'm fine right now. Hopefully, if you guys took out your money at the top, oh my god, you guys are goats. But if you didn't, Aphria is one of the best run companies in its particular industry. And you know what? I was actually I've been waiting for this. Like I was not expecting for my portfolio. I believe at one point I was getting close to 44. Oh, I was at 44,000. Like in a minute, I was at 44,000. I'm like, damn, how much can it go up, right? Like I was saying, like I was thinking about. I was gonna make a video yesterday, like at nighttime, but it was too late. That if it goes up today again, I'm gonna have to sell some stuff. I'm gonna have to do it because this is way too much, way too high, way too high, way too fast. But luckily today it went down, and I did not sell in my positions because I know if I did sell my positions yesterday, it's just too much, right? Like I'm a long-term investor. I do not want to get out of my positions yet, not yet. All right. And look at that. Afria's down 28%. So is Jumia. Look at that one. Corsair Gaming looking a little bit attractive. MP Materials looking a little bit attractive. So looks like the market is, at least my positions are finally cooling off for a little bit. Hopefully they relax for a little bit. I don't want to see no unnatural movements in my portfolio. Because honestly, like if we look in the past month, this was overextended. Overextended. Maybe I'm still overextended now. Maybe I need to pull back more to like $33,000. I'm fine with wherever it is. Long term, I believe in my portfolio. The company is in my portfolio. So I mean, hopefully you guys see this as an opportunity to buy. I mean, my all my options were up like almost 500%. Let's see, yeah, look at that. But anyways, I knew this was gonna happen. I was talking about this the other day. Hopefully, you guys are looking at this as an opportunity to purchase some shares. Because if I didn't have a position in some of these babies, I'll probably be looking to buy some. And I'm about to go to work in today, a little bit later than usual. Usually, I get in at 7 in the morning, but today they called me in at 11. So I'm gonna go to work soon, and I'll catch you guys maybe after. So hopefully, it comes back up soon. I'll see you guys in the next one.